Hey, what's up, guys? So I have an HP OfficeJet 3830, and I want to show you the picture quality. It's very nice. I would do it with the light, and I would do it without a light. Check it out. Okay, so this is the picture. It looks very nice. My setting is a little off. I should have made it full paper, but I didn't. I just printed it straight off out of my phone. The picture looks very nice. It does not fade away. If you want to look at it real close, it's shiny. It looks very nice. This is Manhattan, New York. And I used a glossy paper. And you can see the details on the building pretty nice. So let me turn on the light. Look at that. That is beautiful. It does not fade. If you want to look at it real good. Looks very nice quality. All I gotta do is make it a little bigger, take the border off. I left the border on. But otherwise, the picture looks very nice. Very nice. You can see all the details. Very nice. Well, if you have any question at all, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Very nice picture.